The 8 ingredients we've found so far.
I think I see some raspberries with their hands up. Guy, you want to pick somebody?
Right here in the front row.
Whoa, 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 whoa. We got a...
Yeah,
We got love.
how about over here?
Joy. Good going. Is this the kiwis? Kiwis.
Peace over here.
Orange. Orange said peace.
How about over here? We haven't got anybody over here.
Blueberries. Nice and loud.
Patience.
Patience.
Oh, right. I
Excellent.
had to wait for it. Right? Wait for it.
Patience. All right, that's 4. We need 4 more. Another blueberry. Kindness. Great.
Right.
Idiot cake.
All right. Love, joy, peace.
This section over here.
Kindness. Keep.
Real loud.
Goodness. Great job.
Over here.
Faithfulness.
Faithfulness.
Faithfulness. Way to go,
Right.
oranges.
And our 8th ingredient. Right over here.
Gentleness. I
All
think that
right.
was kiwis again.
There you go. We got 8 ingredients.
Great job.
Yeah. Let's see, we have love, joy,
Everyone, peace, patience, kindness, goodness,
faithfulness. Guys, it's a local piece sometimes.
All right, we got them all. And no kiwi.
Kiwi. Did you say kiwi?
Oh no.
Relax. The last ingredient is not kiwi. It's
Hey, guy, remember me?
Bobby.
hey, buddy. I heard you were coming up.
Everyone, this is Bobby Mays.
Bob Mays, guy's former co-host, the one whose eyebrows blew off with his chin.
Did I mention I was sorry?
Sorry, you blew my eyebrows off.
I know.
One of them made it the whole way to the parking lot.
It did?
Iron Chef Canadian ran it over.
There is no Iron Chef Canadian.
Well, maybe it was Iron Chef Chinese. I couldn't tell because I was covering my eyes and hands.
Oh, Bobby. Guy didn't mean to hurt you. He loves you like a brother.
Like one that would not want to burn your eyebrows off.
I gotta tell you, guy, I was pretty mad when I wound up in the hospital. I wouldn't have come on here and pour hot sauce on your eyebrows.
Ouch.
Yeah, ouch is right, but you would have felt sorry then.
I already feel sorry.
But you know what? I'm not gonna do that.
You're not?
No. And you know why?
Why?
Well, because all week, I've been watching you make the most incredible fruit salad. You have love in there, like you and I love each other. You have joy that God gives us to get through hard times. Peace that God gives us to get over things. Patience that we need to help we heal. Kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness. I need all these things. And when I realized it, I finally knew that I could give you the last ingredient. Self-control.
Self-control. Did you say self-control?
That's right, self-control to help us from acting in anger and sin.
That's the final ingredient. Our fruit salad is complete.
Oh, boy!
Love, joy, peace, patience.
Everyone, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness,
And self-control.
What an amazing salad!
It's extreme!
So good it should be illegal.
But it's not illegal because against these things, there's no law.
What are we waiting for? Let's eat some of this fruit and spirit salad.
You got it, Bobby. And I hope all of you will feast upon this fruit and salad when we leave here. It's a lot to remember. So when you check out today, we have some of the fruit salad to take with you and use as reminders that it is taste sweeter than any other. You're gonna love it. For Extreme Cuisine, I'm Guy Spaghetti.
Gianna Delicious.
Bobby, no brows, ladies.
So long. God bless.